I swear, bro. If this lag again, not even lag. If we crash again, bro, I don't know what to do. I swear. Hopefully we not crash again, dog. Why not? Alright, chat. Hopefully we not crash again. Look like we're active. Like we're active. Bro, when the stream crash, it just kill the vibe. It just kill everything, bro. Everything just dead when the stream crash, bro. And like I say, just start a new stream and then we're good again. Nah. The vibe dead from the first stream crash. Trade. Me download MT5 by the way upon this. Leave it off upon this. But chat, just drop a like on your stream, bro, so YouTube can like send it back out, dog. Cause YouTube did a show about the stream, you know, like the first stream, and then we just start crash, bro. I don't know why. First stream did a spike, bro, but wait, me a lag? Oh, hold on, I'm gonna mute this chat. That I'm gonna do before I start. I have to mute the microphone on the cam because if me not do that, it'll go echo, bro. And that's why stream look how I did that echo, dog. My look so blue. But chat, you know a GIF, bro. Basically I wait for price break out a range and if the price break out of the range and then grab liquidity. And then close back into the range. Bro, the thing just me get mad, dog. Every time a stream crash. What if that stream I crash again? Oh, when I crash, we're good. Oh, you know, I forgot for the chat. Forgot for post the link here, bro. Post the link here. Now we goal the goal still in our range. Hold on, chat. I'm post this, bro. The stream crashed 3 times. I even know what to do. Every time a stream crash, I have to like repost the link. Because if a stream crash, you can't have the header, the whole link. Because people are going like, when they click a link, it not going to bring them to a stream because a stream they crash. So I have to change the link every time a stream crash, bro. Alright, chat. I just post back your link. So we're good now. Alright, I just post back your link. So that's supposed to be good. I'm gonna delete the old one. Alright, we're good now. Turn back this on. Alright, chat. When I hear me loud and clear, hopefully that stream and crash again, bro. Hold on. I'm gonna start screen share with you now. Goal still in a range. Hopefully that stream are good, bro. I'm not see why would I crash. Hopefully we're good. I may have to go do the analysis again because when me did I do it all time, it mic did a echo. Hold on, let me see if it mic a echo again. Hold on, chat. No, we're good. Alright, we're good. Wait, face cam work? Nah, still not work. Hold on, chat, I'ma see. Hold on, chat. You know what? Let me do that. May I the key them mix up. See you later. Alright, chat. So we finally break out. So that good. Finally get a breakout. But remember I'm telling them we not look for no sales on the first breakout. But I wait for like we get like a range 2 breakout. Or if this candle can flip back, sorry, if this candle close below and next candle open up, flip back bullish, that would be good. Just like I expect price to grab liquidity and then we flip back. Jano dog. Yo, you can't help me. Hey bro. Press, just tune into the stream, bro, or just send me a DM on Instagram, dog. I can help you out, bro. No, that's why we live stream, bro. If we help each other, like. I make sure my live stream my trades them every day, dog. Stream kinda give me like problem, bro, like face scam and them thing there, but so you go still. Hold on. My mic probably did all that something there. What you call it? Mic probably did all that echo just now. But as I'm myself, just link me on the gram, bro. You already linked me. I'ma check. After my end stream, me can, you see it, can help you out, dog. I'ma see it, bro. But today I gonna be a good day though, dog. But not gonna lie. Can feel it. I can feel it, bro. Today I gonna be a good day. Let me use the front one. So me just connect your back, bro. Alright, chat. So we are forward done. Janos. I say blow him account to pussy clot. Jano. Chat, as I'm say, we break. We break. Not true we don't watch the chat. Like we already running analysis. You see me? Some basically know me and wait for already. We break. This is what I want to say. I'm sure now. See, after price break this level, chat, we break the lows. Now, this can go close below. Remember, I'm telling you, we're not looking for no sales on this can go. Cause why? This could be a fake out. If this can go flip back bullish, chat, if this can go flip back bullish, it could forward back up in a range. And once we forward back into the range and we get a closure above Yasa, chat, me I look for buys. If we get a closure above Yasa, me I look for buys. Why? Cause this would have been fake out. One candle, this a candle forward bearish and close below, and the next candle just push straight back up. So now this would have been a fake out. You see me, chat? And after a fake out, you're the fake out after a fake out, chat, would I expect a continuation, cause a fake out is like liquidity. You see me? So that we are gonna wait for. Let's see if this 30-minute candle can flip back bullish. And we have idea if it don't flip bullish to chat. So look, if we don't flip bullish on this 30-minute candle, if we don't flip bullish, would I wait for a closure below range 2? For example, this is what I mean. Well, I'm gonna delete that. This is what I mean, chat. You see how we are forward down, though. See how this a bearish candle are forward down. And I look for no sales yet, you know, cause I expect we flip bullish. I expect this to be liquidity. You see me? But I could be wrong. You see me? So if I'm wrong, this how I wait pan. The wait pan it can go for push down, then they can go reject. So like how it a reject right now, I wait pan if reject look a bit further. Like halfway can go. You see me? After a reject chat. You see if we push back down and re-break the candle lows like this a candle. You see if we push back up and fall back down, re-break its lows. Like so. Would I wait for sellers on range 2, chat. You see me? So like this would have be range 1 and this right here so would have be range 2. So once we get a closure below range 2, that would have be decent. Something like this. This would have been my entry right as a chat. This would have been my entry and would have look for forward down and fill the range. You see me? So I just add that second step there because the reason why I do that is because we're not sure if price like have liquidity if it go down. So when you're not sure if price have liquidity, you wait, you add like an extra confirmation funny. You see me, chat? If price did have liquidity, we could have taken sales without too much confirmation. But since we don't have no liquidity, since the sales them we have fall down, not have no liquidity, it can definitely still go down, but would have just add a second step, like an extra confirmation. You see me? So that will basically pre-chat. Bro, me hate when your stream crash. Like, bro, his stream spike, you know, man, I tell you first. His stream spike, dog. And I say, bumbo clay, stream spike. Like, when I go post on my Instagram, say my live, I see stream spike, bro, and then after a stream crash, dog. Kill the whole life vibe, I like. The whole life vibe dead. Wait, I did there for us? Like, on the first stream I'm start, cause about 2 times stream crash, bro. This is like 3rd stream I start back. But chat, as I'm say, we're gonna just wait and see what's going. We have idea. We have idea for like both buys and sells, so we're good, bro. I have to just be patient, you know. Yeah, dog, man, I tell you. Jaja. Yeah, dog, man, I tell you, bro. Stream are going good, then after I just crash. I don't like when you stream crash, man, you just kill the vibe, you know. And not only vibe, it kill the stats. Like, I don't know if I do YouTube, but on YouTube, you have like, what you call it? Your dashboard. You see me? So when you have a video, and your video, like, say your video do good, and your video do numbers, if you have to like delete that video there, and do it again, you basically start from scratch. So that I fucked up about it in your dashboard. I fuck up, bro. Me all my second stream when I start, the whole time I analyze the chart and my mic a echo. I didn't even realize, bro. I know what cause it still. I just a forward. Everybody soon roll back in still, one by one, you know. Oh, the dog that they say me fi link him now. When I my dog then they say me fi link them with me and trade. But chat, me nah go back on Instagram, bro. Every time I go up on Instagram I try to fix something, my stream crash. Me nah move from right there, me nah move from out that stream again, dog. Man get up 2 times forward back and the stream crash. Probably I become a get up. But Frost, how you trade? A Forex you trade or you trade VIX? I know most Jamaicans trade VIX, bro. A VIX you trade though. Your win rate high? Yeah, dog. Me have a 70% win. Wait, no, not 70. Sorry. Me have a 85% win rate. But it probably drop. But my win rate are anywhere from 70 to 85. In that range there. You see me? Anywhere from 70 to 85. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go up on my journal. I'm gonna show you. So this is my journal. This is a journal from July. From July 2024. So you can see my win rate. So I don't like say yo me only use recent data. Okay, you can't look this is my recent journal, you know. This a trade I take last week Monday. It's a recent journal, but me not use my recent journal to determine my win rate. Cause you can't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades is such a small sample size. You can't use 7 trades to determine your win rate overall. You see me? So when I say overall, my win rate are anywhere from 70 to 85%. But if you ask me my win rate for this week and last week, I not lose a trade it. Last week, I take 6 trades last week and I win 6 of them. And yesterday, which was Monday, I take one trade yesterday, I'm a win that. But as I'm saying, I can't go off of this though, because this are just 7 trade. If you want to learn your win rate, you have to have like at least 50 trades. You see me? Have a sample size at least 50 trades. But yeah, bro. And that are the thing, bro. Man, tell you first, you see, like, people that DM me on the gram and I like talk shit about my strategy. You see me? But it's like, it's a mindset thing, bro. It's like, you see, most people, bro, most people have a mindset where it's like, if them are risk 1, them have to make 2. Most people have that mindset. You see me? Nothing wrong with that. But it's like when they try to attack me because they don't know, like, bro, you not have to risk 1. Alright, let me say it that way. You not have to risk 10. You not have to risk 1 to make 10. You can risk 10 to make 1 if you have a 90% chance of winning. Think about it, bro. Think about it. You can risk $1 million to make 500,000 if you have a 90% chance of winning. Like, that you have to ask, bro. But most people don't think like that. So, even though I have a negative risk to reward, I win most of the times. So, if I finally lose, I probably win 10 trades before I take 1 loss. You know them way there? But most people not pre things like that, bro. Most people don't really look funny, so. And it cool, that cool. As long as knowing, you know, oh, you don't have a specific pair. Real, one good one. No joke, bro. But there's a pros and cons to everything, bro. You see me? You see my win rate. You see, even though I have a high win rate, I have a negative risk to reward. You see me? But if you want, like, on the other side, you have people who don't use negative risk to reward, but their win rate shit. 30% win rate. That's shit, bro. Can still be profitable. You can still be profitable with a 30% win rate. But that's shit, bro, compared to like my strategy. But as I'm saying, pros and cons to everything. Cause if you trade like me, you loser them I got bigger than your winner. Like one loser. Like for example, me make like 50 pips off a trade. Say on average. But me lose, when I lose a trade, me lose like 200. I'm gonna see if I can show you one example. But before me lose like a 200, me already win like 10 trade. So if you're doing maths, me still profitable. You see me, bro? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you one perfect example in my journal. Even yes, bro. All when me take 2 losses in a row, me lose 200 pips right here, so. Me lose 200. Wait, I wish bar. Okay, so. No, not this, right, so. If I lose right, so me lose 200 pips. Then after me lose 300 pips. You see me? But them there are 2 losses, you know. But then count the wins them, bro. This a trade here, me make 53 pips. In next trade, me make 98. In next trade, me make 42. So it's like, even though I'm down a lot of pips, like it's small wins them like it's small wins them like they always like make me come back like profitable. So right as I'm lose what? This are 179 pips. And then I win 55 pips, then I win 23 pips, then I win 60 pips, then I win 53, then I win 68, then I win 40. My next trade after that, I win 40 more. My next trade after that, 67. Next trade after that, I make 100 pips. Next trade after that 60 pips. The next trade after that 40 pips. The next trade after that 33 pips. So yeah, me lose. But by the time I lose, me already up. If that makes sense. I gotta get with me. I gotta get with me. I said, by the time I lose, me already up. Like all this week. Look on it this week journal. Bro, me already win like 7 trade. If today me for lose, me still up in a profit. If me for lose today. I'm not trying to show you, bro. But most people don't look on it that way. They see it. Peeps how much what? Peeps how much money? No. Peeps are not how much money. Peeps are how much your market move. Let me show you. Alright, look on that candle. See that peeps are basically how much your market moves. So you see that candle? I better use that one here for now. See that one here? If you want to know how big that candle is, you have to measure it. You see me? Some would have fuck out over to the left and click this a ruler tool here. You see that ruler tool here? Click a ruler tool and you measure it. So this is a candle body. So you put a thing right here so and you measure a candle. So this a candle is a 80 pip candle. From the opening to a close is a 80 pip move. So pips are how much a market move. You see me? How much movements. When this a big bearish candle here. But even though it looks so, you can't tell how much a candle is. You can't tell how much a candle move. You can't tell, so you have to measure it for tell. You see me? So that's how pips is. If they measure a candle, it tell you how much pips. So this a candle was 240 pips. This a bearish candle. From the open, you go measure it from the open to the close. It was a 240 pips. And I know you see 2,400. But even though that you see, I know 2,000 pips at 240. Whenever 240 pips, you go see 2,400. You see me? Whenever 100 pips, you go see 1,000. Then just have like an extra zero. I don't know why they do that. But don't make that confuse you though. If you say 2,400, that means 240. Yeah. Lot size, bro. Depends on the lot size. But I show how much money I make. Like, go up on my thing there. If you go up on my Instagram, you see how much money I make. My recent posts. Yeah. For my recent post, I show my P&L. Yeah, bro. But chat, remember, let me tell you what we are wait on, so you see me? Man, just giving you too much yapping, but we talk about chat. Man, delete all of them in chat and just go over everything again. You see me? So as I say, first thing I do when I forward on the chart, identify what type of day it is. You see me? You have to identify what type of day it is. 3 type of days, bro. You have like a consolidation, manipulation, and continuation. So when I look on the chart, if you ask me, this look like a range type of day. This look like a range type of day. Just look at this. Look at this, bro. This look like a range type of day, Chad. So when you identify that, the next step, as soon as I say it's a range type of day, we automatically limit ourselves to the amount of players, to like 1 or 2 players. You see me? What we can take. We have players for if a market a drive. Like say yo market now range, sealer. Say yo market now range and the market just a drive. You see that drive phase, how market just a push. We have play for if a market in a like a what you call this again? The market in a phase like this. Cause remember I'm telling you say a 3 phase: consolidation, manipulation, and the drive phase. You see me? So if the market a drive, we have play for that. But look on the market right now, obviously we are consolidate. So me usually do when market a range, we go some mark up your lows. Look like your lows. Holy fuck, bro. It look like your lows the right answer. You see me? Yeah, mark up your highs. Top of the range the right there, so. So now mark up the top of the range and the bottom of the range. Hold on, chat. Let me see. You can use the previous 4 like the rebreak of the previous 4 low, but me not go use that. Man, I'll put this up some more. All we do I identify range chart. Me not go use the previous, not the previous. Me not go use the current 4 lows because if you look left, we have like, would have said this breakout of the range, right side bottom of my range. If you ask me. So like how we break out a range chart. Remember I'm telling you from earlier. When there's a range type of day, we usually have like a couple players. I'm showing you. You see this chart? This say back into the range. Basically what that means like surprise are good on. Surprise are good on. And that's why you need a journal. Because when you have a journal, it show you like your players them and everything. You see me? You need a journal to keep track. So back into the range basically mean this chat. We are range, right? Price a push up, price a push down, price a push up, price a push down, price push up, price push down, and then price do something like this. Break the lows. You see me? After price break the lows, we get a fake out. Now this back into the range. You see me? Cause remember, you know, we have like a range right here, so you know. So I bottom my range, you know, and this can go push back up and break back into the range. So that how I basically mean by when me say that how I basically mean when my setup type is a back into the range. You see me? So if we can get that today, can go forward back into the range, would I look for like an entry and the rebreak of the highs. Anything above right as a chat would that be good? To carry way up towards right as so. So that would have been my buys. You see me? So surprise push up back into the range. This would have been my buys chart. If we forward up and fill this range right also. You see me? So that how you look when I draw you out. But if I look on the chart, hold on. I'm gonna go back. Yeah, that's how you look when I draw you out. But if I look on the chart, I same thing chat. Same thing. Look. We are range. So I top our range right also. So I bottom my range right also. We push down and we break out our range. So right also we break out our drawing. We break out our range. And then after, cause you not do it yet, but if this can go for reject and close back above the range, you see me? That's a break back into the range. So if this can go for break back into the range, would I look for buys going up chat, and would I look for buys go up towards right also. Hold on, let me move some of this. Would I look for buys after I close back into the range? Would I look for buys go up towards right as well? The little area we have right as well. You see me? So could I take advantage of this a range filler? Could I take advantage of this a range filler? Buys from Yasso go up towards Yasso. You see me chat? And that idea we may have. So now we are push up, you know. Can we get a closure back into the range? So back into the range now in a chat, but remember what we need? A closure back into the range. So yeah, we're back in our range, but we're not close yet. We have 4 minutes. So we not watch this yet. We are give 4 minutes and make it close. You see me, guy? Can go closure important chat. But we're good so far. We're back into the range. But we need, as I said, we need a closure now chat. Once we close, yeah. That decent. So now chat, what me I do? I put a line. Cause remember I say would I look for buys, you know, if price close back into the range, I would I look for buys. But now I put a line where I would I look for buys go up towards. So now I start mark up my level them where I go look for entry. I look for my break even level and then thing there. You see me, cause we're close to like a position. So now I start mark up my break even level, my TP level and then thing there. Hold on. Alright. Cause it might drop more, makes sense. Yeah, bro. Smart. Say a chat. So we are push up. But chat, you see how easily we avoid this fake out though? Like anybody who sell right here, so you need for like your strategy need for like tweak like a bit. Cause more never sell right here, so bro. This is the first breakout of the range. After we break out of the range, if price I go print a fake out, it'll do it after it break out of the range for the first time. So if you get caught in at least this a manipulation, yeah. If you take sales right here, so let's understand this. Let me tell you why me never take it. Simple, it's simple in a chat, it's simple. Look, we are range. I even remember dry out for now. We are range. See if price are range. Push up, push down, push up, push down. Never do this. If price are range, never do this. Never look for no buys from the first breakout. Why? Because mood expect price for drive without liquidity. You see me chat. So on the first breakout, this could just be liquidity if you go back into the range. You see me? And this right here, this right here would be a liquidity. So same thing price I do right now. Price a range. After price range, price push down. Now look for no sales. Cause this could be liquidity. So if this bullish candle close back into the range, like what I try to do right now, if it close back into the range, we could look for buys going up. You see me chat. And could I look for buys going up and would I assume say yeah, this is liquidity. We print a fake out below the range, fake out all like sellers them, and we push back up in our range. So we just look for continuations of buys. If that makes sense. But no, we have Philly range chat. We'll probably hold on. We have Philly range shot, but look, you see in a situation like this, we can't do nothing. Cause remember, you know, we not get no closure above. This candle no close above yet. It close in a 50 seconds. So you see it Philly range, we can't mad, you can't feel FOMO because it never close above. It just push up and fill the entire range. So I saw you go sometime, bro. Mobile, cause this would have been with TP, you know. But before me buy, I want to see this candle close in a range. Another candle push down and then flip back bullish and we look for buys going up. But as I say, when it not happen, just don't feel FOMO, bro. Guess what me uncle do chat, I just mark up some new levels. You see me? Since the level I have get filled. But when you see idea though, you see how the range get filled chat after a fake out get print. A fake out, shit, hold on. You see idea, even though we not get no entry, I can go, if I make can just push straight up. But you see idea. Wait, I'm gonna go up on the circle thing. Not even that. Fake out chat. After a fake out. But before the fake out, hold on. Let me show you. Before the fake out, what lead to a fake out? Cause that matter in a chat. What lead to a fake out? A consolidation. Consolidation chat. Market a range. After we range, we print a fake out, bro. And after we print a fake out, back into the range. So that's a simple maths, bro. Understand that after consolidation, we get a manipulation, aka fake out. So just understand that. You don't even have to trade like me. Just understand certain things, bro, and implement it in your own strategy. You see me? Yeah, when I do now chat, I mark up some new levels, cause the range they get filled without us. still have more level going up, no FOMO. Got more levels going up, chat. Alright. So me put that on the rebreak at the high. Me have a level at 39.61. Alright. Chat, you know what, that'd be ideal, bro. This would be ideal. You see if that I stutter, bro. You see if that bearish candle chat. You see if it could have push up and top 39.61. If this push up and print a top wick at 39.61 and then flip back bearish shot and push down for your bottom wick, that would have been decent. Would have put buy stop on the rebreak of the candle high. But this I think, chat, the reason why I want the top 61, because if you look left, every time we close above 61 levels, so we can go there right now. Every time we close above 61 level, we push up. Look right there, so close above, we push up. You see me, chat, we close above, we push up. So this would be ideal. Let's see if this current 1 hour candle print a top wick up here, bro. Just want a little steeper top wick. And after that, we flip bearish and print a bottom wick. Would have put buy stop on the rebreak at the high. Because if they can go flip back bullish, rebreak its highs, where you expect we go towards? Right, there's a chat. You see me? We'll get a quick pop. Just like yesterday, bro. Quick pop up towards 39.70.53. So that's the idea. And we also have idea for if that not happen, chat. You see me? So if that not happen, we have idea for yourselves. That is a put down the trading if you take sales. I don't lie, bro. We say put it down still, you just have to get wiser, bro. You see me? I don't like say it sells like, bro. After consolidation, you get a manipulation. So after price a range, don't take sales on the first breakout. You expect a manipulation, aka liquidity. So chat, but that's my plan doing a chat. You see if this candle can flip back bullish, rebreak its highs, I'm gonna look for some buys. But the only thing is, what the hell? The only thing is, look, bro, you see this candle high, chat. Everything good still, you know. But I just tell you what would be ideal. You see this candle high. If this candle high, they just a little bit higher, bro. Just a little bit higher towards 39.61. And why I want a little bit higher, chat? May I explain that to you? You see, if it candle, cause remember me would have end up on a rebreak at the highs, right? Alright, look. If this bearish candle for flip bullish and rebreak its highs, see highs there now. We have resistance at 39.61. We have resistance. So we could end up on this rebreak at the highs. Cause we would get no quick pop. We would get a quick pop right in a resistance. You see me? We not get no quick pop go up. Cause we have resistance right here. So that's why I'm say if this can go high, they just a little bit higher. So you know, say whenever we re-break the high, we just have clean range to go up. Cause this a clean range in a chat. This right here, so a clean range. So if this wick they just a little bit higher, bro. Once we re-break it, we have clean range to go up, chat, as I can see right here, so. But that good still, cause what? If we flip, like our bearish right now, if we flip bullish, print a high, and reject, like this. We bearish right now. If we flip bullish, print a high at 39.61.30, and after we print the high, we reject a little bit. Would I put my sell stop? No, not sell stop. Would I put buy stop on the rebreak at the high? So after I reject a little bit and then push back up, would I get activated? So that some would I look for go about it. Right now, I'm not look for no sales, chat. Cause would need to see structure get print and would need to see a top wick. You see me? We can look for cells after structure get print. You see, if we don't push up, so if we don't push up and we don't re-break the high, and the price just continue push down. You see me, chat? We can wait for something like this. You see, structure. What you call this again? You call this lower high. We need to see a couple lower high if we are gonna take cells. Bro, I'm kind of slow when it comes down to finding the right tool, you know. Lower highs, chat. You see me? So this is how we would want to see if we would look for tech cells. We want to see structure. We get some lower highs. Because if we have so much lower highs, that means gold try to drive up and it fail. You see me? So that's how we would want to see, bro. Make it. I'm trying to keep on do that. Give couple chance. You see me? Give couple chance to drive up. But chat, I feel like I couldn't get it though. I feel like I couldn't get it. I don't get where we are wait pan. If this can go flip bullish, top 39.61. Reject little bit. I put buy stop pan the rebreak at the highs at 39.61. Okay, if it reject little bit and then break back the highs, that would have been my entry. And for the cells, we need to see structure forward down, structure lower highs before we look for any type of sell position. But yeah, bro, now we just wait. Now we know a plan. We just wait, bro. You know what I say? About 8 people asked me for one-on-one, and I did doesn't match it for them. Since recently, about 8 people asked me for one-on-one. I think it's done falling. You could be right. You could be right, bro. You could be right, but I can't confirm it yet. You see me? Cause look, this could definitely be liquidity. This could definitely be liquidity, and we're done fall. You see me? We're done. But we can't confirm it yet, cause you know we need like in order to confirm it, me would have say this one would have wait for to confirm it. But I don't say a wrong though, you know. I not say a wrong, you know. I just say in order to confirm it, just like how we push up and we close back above the range, good. See this bearish candle, we're currently bearish at the moment. If we manage to flip back bullish and push up and break the highs, good. Print another wick, push back up again. So it's like, would I say we're bullish when we have structure, lower highs, no, yeah, lower lows, sorry. But I say we're fully bullish when we have lower lows, cause think about it. The more lower lows we have, a stronger structure is going up. You see me? More lower lows we have, the structure going up stronger. So once I start to say lower lows, bro, I say yeah, we not go back down, cause we have structure on the way up. You see me? And this candle, if it can just flip bullish, this would have been a lower. You see me? A lower. But yeah, we just have to wait first before I confirm that. I start focus on the chat more, bro. I have a bad habit for like when I read the charts, I even look on the stream chat. But I start focus and make sure I interact with the chat. Bro, are you just text me? Sorry, I can't catch this. Bro, are you just text me and say, yo, you blow your account? somebody just not just, but somebody text me look like 15 minutes ago, say them blow them account. But me read the message, me never see name who text me. So you text me? Cause through y'all say sorry, me can't catch this. So wait, are you blow your account? Are you text me that? Want to roll up one of them to I'm soon circle back. Alright, bro, do the right thing. You see me? We do y'all go and be patient, bro. You see me? Go and get where you forget, man, and do the right thing, father. You see it? Just drop a like on your stream and respect same way, bro. Respect, bro. See you now. You are close. 15-minute can go close in 30 seconds. Alright, I'm gonna see. Look chat. See if we are gonna take sales, remember me telling you earlier,